Hello guys, welcome once again to my tutorial. In today's lesson, we'll be talking about how to solve simultaneous equations using the elimination method. Later on in this tutorial, maybe in a different tutorial, we'll talk about the substitution method, but in this tutorial, I'm going to touch on the elimination method. So without wasting my time, let's get started. As you can see, we have the question on our left hand side. The first equation is 3x plus 5y equal to 1. The second equation is 2x minus 3y equals 7. So since we are going to use the elimination method, we are going to eliminate one of the variables. So we can choose to eliminate the variable x or the variable y. But in this case, I'm going to eliminate the variable x, meaning that we are going to multiply equation 1 by 3. We are going to multiply equation 1 by 2 so that it will be 6x. Then we are going to multiply equation 2 by 3 so that equation 2 will have 6x. So we'll make it equation equation 1, equation 1, equation 1. We are going to multiply it by 6x. Equation 1 will multiply it by 2. Then when we multiply equation 1 by 2, it means that we are going to get 3x times 2, which will get 6x. And then let me leave some space. And then 5y by 2, we are going to get 10. So 6x plus 10y, and then equals 1 times 2. We are going to get 2. Then this will be equation 3. We are going to make this one equation 3. Okay. We are going to make this one equation 3. Yeah. Then let's go to the next equation, which is equation 2. We are going to multiply equation 2 by 3 so that we'll get 6s for the variable x as well. So equation 2 multiplied by 3. See that when we multiply equation 2 by 3, we are going to also get 6x. Then for the x part, minus 3 times 2, we are also going to get we are going to multiply equation 2 by 3, so we get 6s. Then 3y by 3, we are going to get 9y, which will be equal to 7 times 3, we are going to get 21. And this will give us equation 4. Alright, so as you can see from the screen here, let me highlight this and change this to a black color so that you can easily differentiate. Alright, so we have equation 3, which is 6x plus 10y equal to 2. Equation 4, which is 6x minus 9y equals 21. So now what we are going to do is to eliminate the variable x, and to do that we are going to subtract one of the equations from the other. So you can observe here that the equation 4 will make it equation 4 minus equation 3, so that the later part, which is 21, we can do it 21 minus 2, which is equation 4 minus equation 3. So let me put that one here. Equation 4 minus equation 3. Equation 4 minus equation 3. So equation 4 minus equation 3. Equation 3. So equation 4 minus equation 3. What are we going to get? We'll be getting, let me make this black color. So equation 4 minus equation 3, we are going to get 6x minus 6x, which will give us 0x. So we are not going to write it. Then the second part, for the y part, is going to be negative 9y minus 10y. Or in other words, it's negative 9y minus plus 10y. And that will give us negative 19y. So negative 19y will be equal to, then the other part, which is 21 minus 2. This 21 here minus the 2 here, and that will give us 19, positive 19. So as you can see, we are getting negative 19y equal to positive 19. So in this case, we are looking for the variable y, so we'll divide both sides by negative 19. And when we divide this equation by negative 19, you see that we are going to get y standing alone. We are going to get y standing alone. So it's going to be y equals, then the 19 also divided by negative 19. We are dividing both sides by negative 19. So the left hand side by negative 19, the right hand side by negative 19. So the right hand side is going to be 19 divided by negative 19, which will give us negative 1. So it means our y, the value of our y is negative 1. That's the answer for the y. Then after getting this answer, we are going to substitute the value of y into any of the equations, any of the main equations, which is the equation 1 and the equation 2. So as you can see, you can choose any of them. I will choose equation 1, but because that will be simple to do. So it's going to be, wherever we see y, we will substitute negative 1 there in equation 1. So equation 1 is giving us 3x. Equation 1 is giving us 3x. So 3x plus 5y. Now the y is negative 1. So wherever we see y, we'll put negative 1 there. So it's going to be 5 times negative 1. The bracket means times, which will be equal to positive 1. We are substituting it into equation 1. So this will give us 3x. This will give us 3x minus 5y, minus 5, 3x minus 5 equals 1. So we'll group like terms, which will give us 3x equals 1. The 5 will cross the equal to sign, so it becomes positive 5. Then we are going to get 3x equals 6, positive 6. So we are looking for x, so it means we'll divide both sides by 3. Then our x will be equal to our x, because when we divide both sides by 3, we are going to get positive x equal to 6 divided by 3, we are going to get 2. We are dividing both sides by 3 so that we get a value of x. So in this case, it means that our x is 2 and our y is negative 1. So when you finish this, you just conclude that therefore x is equal to 2 and y is equal to negative 1. Thank you for watching, and then make sure you like our videos and then subscribe to our channel so that whenever we post a new video, you will be the first person to be notified.